Have you ever sat down and really wondered deep in your heart, what is it that actually causes a man to fall in love and want to spend the rest of his life with you specifically? Well, yeah, that is somewhat important to know, but I think it is going to take a little bit more than just hoping this guy figures it out on his own without any help. Today, I am going to share with you 7 things that men need to fall in love with you deeply and truly. Number 1 is he needs to be ready for you in his life. It is interesting to note this fact. Every single man has a belief about what his life needs to be like before he commits. The prerequisites that he needs to accomplish or experience before he is willing to allow himself to fall in love and then spend the rest of his life with somebody special. And it is unique and personal to each and every man out there in the world. For some men, it is a certain age that they need to reach first. For other men, it is a certain amount of income, or their career needs to be at a certain level of success, or he needs to feel like he can provide for you at a certain level of comfort, or have a particular house to call home. Every man is different in this regard, but we all have a certain level of accomplishment or what we need to experience first before we allow ourselves to settle down and spend the rest of our lives with the love of our life forever. So, if a man tells you he is not ready, the best thing that you can do is believe him completely. Number 2 is he needs to know that he can provide for you in every way. See, every man wants to feel capable in his actions. He wants to feel like a provider for his family. He needs to know that he can provide the home that you want to live in. He needs to know that he can provide the vacations that you want to take together. He needs to know that he can provide the kids that you want to raise and the experience that you want to have in life. That is essential for us falling in love and deciding, yes, this is the woman that I want to be with for always. So, if your man is doing a good job, then appreciate him deeply, celebrate him openly, and let him know that so that he feels capable in the job he is doing for you every day. Number 3 is that men need to feel confident that they are not going to hurt you emotionally. See, as men, we do not want to hurt women intentionally. It is painful for us to have a woman cry based on something that we have done wrong. We hate that feeling deeply. We would rather have our arm chewed off by an alligator than to make you feel pain. We would rather have our arm chewed off by an alligator than to make a woman cry because we do not want to hurt a woman ever. So, if he thinks that you have completely fallen in love with him and you have decided that he is the one, but yet he is not sure, that will often cause him to put the brakes on or to pull the ejection cord and back out of the relationship early because he is afraid if he goes forward 6 months and then finds out that this is not really what he wants, he is going to cause you a whole lot more pain than if he stops now. Number 4, he needs to feel sexual chemistry with you strongly. Men, we do not marry women that we are not sexually attracted to at all. We want the sex life to be amazing, just as you want the sex life to be amazing too. So, here is what is great about this situation. As you feel more comfortable and more confident with your own sexuality, and as you build a positive relationship with your own sexuality, your relationship, your vibe, is actually going to drive the sexual chemistry in the relationship higher. Whether you are already engaging in sex or even if you are saving yourself until marriage, even to that degree, just your own relationship with your own sexuality puts out a vibe that communicates to him that the sex life is going to be amazing for both of you. Number 5 is he needs to feel loved and accepted for who he really is inside. See, even men have a fear of not being enough and not being accepted and loved by you. Just as women have a fear of not being enough and not being accepted and loved by him. See, that is a man or a woman thing fundamentally. That is a human thing we all share. We all have fear of not being enough, and if we are not enough, we will not be loved by anyone. And so, one of the greatest needs we have in a relationship is to know that we are going to be enough and accepted in the eyes of our partner always. So, how do you communicate that to him clearly? Interestingly enough, the most powerful way that you communicate that, it starts with you loving and accepting yourself first, because as you love and accept yourself, You actually are sending out a subconscious signal, a vibration to him that communicates that you are able to love and accept him as well without judgment. The challenge is this is often what trips people up in love. It is often one of the biggest blocks to love is our inability or our non-relationship with loving and really accepting ourselves fully. And so, if you know that you could really dial that up in your own life, I have actually created a great gift for you to use. It is a self love process that will really activate and enhance your own self love and put you in that state so that you can signal to your man that he is loved and accepted in your presence as well, always. So, I am going to link it up here in the video and I am going to link it in the description for you to find. This is a very powerful process for you. It is a gift from me to you, so go ahead and click the link and you can get that process at the end of the video today. Now, number 6, he needs to believe that you are his partner in life truly, that you have his back no matter what, that you are going to stand by his side through thick and thin, just as he will have your back and stand by your side always. He needs to know that you will value the same things, that you want the same things in life together. And I will give you a quick example of this for you. One of my friends came to me saying, "You know what I love about my wife, man?" And he told me a story about when he was dating some other woman before her, and they were in the car driving together, and he had to slam on the brakes because of what was going on in traffic suddenly. The previous girlfriend immediately looked at him and was like, "What are you doing? Why are you driving so recklessly like that?" And then he said his wife, they broke up, that other girlfriend, and he started dating his current wife. And he said it was so amazing to experience. A few months in, we were driving, traffic like stopped fast, so I had to stop fast. And she immediately did not turn to me. She looked at the person in front of me and was like, "What is that person doing? Why are they stopping so fast like that?" And he said, "It dawned on me that her immediate response was to have my back, whereas the other woman's immediate response was to criticize me harshly. So are you going to be the type of partner where you immediate response, your reaction, your instinct is to have your man back always, to believe the best in him every time? Or is it going to be to throw him under the bus and to criticize him because men, we want a partner who will stand by our side, have our backs, support us, just as we are going to support them in return?" And number 7, and this is the most important one of all, is that he needs to feel like he can live his purpose with you by his side. He needs to feel that with you, life expands rather than constricts heavily. With you, he is able to be the best version of himself, that life gets better, gets richer, gets more full every day. That you are able to travel together or have the adventures together always. That you are able to maintain and deepen friendships that you both have individually. The feeling that life is going to get more adventurous, more expansive with you, rather than more constrictive with you, is key to everything. And that he can really live his purpose fully. And what is really great about this is how you communicate that by you living a life you love deeply, by you living your purpose every day, by you creating something amazing and seeking to grow yourself constantly. You naturally challenge him to grow his life too. You going for your purpose. You naturally challenge him to go for his purpose as well. And he is going to feel like the best version of himself in your presence always. And when a man feels like the best version of himself in your presence, he absolutely falls in love and says, "Man, this is the experience that I want for a lifetime forever." So my question for you is this specifically: when it comes to love, when it comes to dating, when it comes to relationships, what question do you have or what challenge are you facing that if you could just wave a magic wand and have it solve it, you would love this solved or you would love this question answered clearly? Go ahead and post it in the comments section below, and your question might just be the next video that we do for you. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, take a moment, get subscribed so that you can be the first to get the latest and greatest videos each and every week, because we are all about helping you experience love and connection more deeply and expanding love in the world, one heart at a time, truly. Thanks so much for watching this today. I will see you soon in the next video.